What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best CPUs for gaming to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Intel Core i9-12900KS is a high-performance processor manufactured by Intel. It belongs to the 12th generation of Intel Core i9 processors and is part of the Alder Lake family of CPUs. The processor is designed for desktop use and offers impressive specifications and features. The Core i9-12900KS is a 16-core processor that operates at a base clock speed of 2.5 GHz. However, it can reach a maximum turbo frequency of 5.5 GHz, allowing for excellent single-core performance and responsiveness. The processor utilizes a socket LGA 1700, which is the compatible CPU socket for this model. One of the notable features of the Core i9-12900KS is its cache memory. It has a total of 14 MB of L2 cache and 30 MB of L3 cache, which provides an excellent hit rate in short access time. This results in improved system performance and faster data retrieval. In terms of graphics capabilities, the Core i9-12900KS includes the built-in Intel UHD Graphics 770 controller. This graphics controller offers great visual quality and is capable of delivering smooth graphics performance for various applications and games. The processor supports 64-bit processing and comes with 24 threads, enabling efficient multitasking and parallel computing. With a maximum power consumption of 150 watts, the Core i9-12900KS is a high-power CPU that requires adequate cooling to maintain optimal performance. Overall, the Intel Core i9-12900KS is a powerful processor that offers impressive clock speeds, ample cache memory, and built-in graphics capabilities. It is suitable for demanding tasks, gaming, and content creation, providing users with a high-performance computing experience. The AMD Ryzen 5 5600G is a powerful desktop processor offered by AMD. It belongs to the Ryzen 5000G series desktop processors and features best-in-class graphics performance, making it ideal for smooth 1080p gaming without the need for a separate graphics card. The processor is manufactured by AMD and utilizes the socket AM for CPU socket. The Ryzen 5 5600G comes with 6 cores and 12 processing threads, providing excellent multitasking capabilities. It operates at a CPU speed of 4.4 GHz and can achieve a maximum boost frequency of 4.4 GHz. The processor also includes a generous 19 MB cache and supports DDR4 3200 memory. One of the notable features of the Ryzen 5 5600G is its unlocked multiplier, allowing for easy overclocking to extract additional performance. It comes bundled with the AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler, ensuring efficient cooling during operation. Designed for the advanced socket AM4 platform, the Ryzen 5 5600G caters to gamers, creators, and PC users who desire enthusiast-class performance without relying on a discrete graphics card. Its combination of powerful CPU cores and integrated Radeon graphics makes it a compelling choice for those looking to build a capable gaming rig. In terms of reviews, the Ryzen 5 5600G has received positive feedback. It offers a great price-to-performance ratio, delivering up to 96% of the integrated graphics gaming performance of its more expensive counterparts at a 30% lower price point. Additionally, it has excellent power consumption and efficiency, solid overclocking capabilities, and compatibility with some AM4 motherboards. The only drawback mentioned is its PCI Express Gen 3 connectivity. Overall, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G is a compelling choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who seek a high-performance processor with integrated graphics, offering an excellent balance between CPU power and graphics capabilities. The Intel Core i5-12400 is a desktop processor manufactured by Intel as part of the 12th generation of Intel Core processors. It belongs to the Core i5 family and features the socket LGA 1700 for installation on the PCB. The processor offers a base frequency of 2.5 GHz, which can be boosted up to 4.4 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology. With its hyper-threading architecture, the Core i5-12400 provides high performance for demanding applications. One notable feature of the Intel Core i5-12400 is its 18 MB of L3 cache, which allows for fast data processing and smooth performance. Additionally, it includes the Intel UHD Graphics 730 controller, which provides improved graphics and visual quality, supporting up to 4 monitors. This makes it suitable for gaming and multimedia applications. The processor is based on the Alder Lake architecture and is manufactured using Intel's 7nm process technology. It has a total of 6 cores and 12 threads, offering a balance between multi-threaded and single-threaded performance. The power consumption of the Core i5-12400 is rated at 65 watts for the base power and a maximum of 117 watts for turbo power. Overall, the Intel Core i5-12400 is a capable desktop processor that combines efficient performance, improved graphics capabilities, and support for modern technologies, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks, including gaming, content creation, and productivity. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800X3D is a high-performance desktop processor manufactured by AMD. It is part of the Ryzen 7 lineup and features advanced technology to deliver exceptional gaming and computing performance. The CPU is based on the Zen 3 architecture and operates at a base frequency of 3.4 GHz. With AMD's Precision Boost technology, it can reach a maximum boost clock speed of 4.5 GHz, providing fast and responsive performance for demanding tasks. The Ryzen 7 5800X3D is equipped with 8 cores and 16 processing threads, allowing for efficient multitasking and smooth performance in both gaming and productivity applications. It also incorporates AMD's 3D V-Cache technology, which enables 100 MB of cache memory, enhancing data access and overall performance. The processor is designed for the socket AM4 platform and is compatible with X570 and B550 motherboards, which support PCI Express Gen 4 for high-speed data transfer and connectivity. While the Ryzen 7 5800X3D does not come with a bundled cooler, it is recommended to use a high-performance cooler to ensure optimal thermal management and maximize the CPU's potential. Overall, the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X3D is a powerful desktop processor specifically tailored for gaming enthusiasts and demanding users who require top-tier performance. With its advanced architecture, high clock speeds, and innovative 3D V-Cache technology, it offers an excellent combination of speed, efficiency, and responsiveness. The Intel Core i5-12600K is a desktop processor manufactured by Intel. It belongs to the 12th generation of Intel Core i5 processors. The CPU operates at a base frequency of 3.7 GHz and can reach a maximum turbo frequency of 4.9 GHz, providing high performance for demanding applications. The i5-12600K features a total of 10 cores, with 6 performance cores and 4 efficient cores, allowing for efficient multitasking and improved performance. It also comes with 16 MB of L3 cache, which helps to rapidly retrieve frequently used data, enhancing system performance. The processor is based on the Intel 7 architecture, which enables improved performance per watt and power efficiency. It also includes built-in Intel UHD Graphics 770, offering excellent graphics capabilities and visual quality, making it suitable for the next generation of gaming. The i5-12600K utilizes the LGA 1700 socket, allowing it to be placed on the PCB without soldering. This processor is designed for desktop use and is suitable for PC, client, and workstation applications. Overall, the Intel Core i5-12600K is a high-performance processor with improved onboard graphics, suitable for demanding applications in gaming, providing a balance between power and efficiency.